Hi, John Weymouth here, doing some preventative maintenance on two Alcon Constellations. One's a 2014 unit and the other one is a 2024. Guess which one has the newest software? Take a look at this. Here is the 2024 system, and let's go to options and about. And there is our software version, 5.01.08. And the unit was installed in 2024, late 2024. Now here is our other system, and it's a 2014 system, and it has the 5.40.26. Now there is one more version newer than this that takes care of a problem that's associated with the vent valves. When it does a power up, it activates these valves to make sure they're working, but the vent valve will stick once in a while and then it'll cause an error. If you start it up again, it works perfectly fine. So what they do in the new software is they activate the vents multiple times to free them up, then they test. So good idea to check your software version. Very simply, you just turn it on, touch options, touch about, and then you can see what your software version is. So if you're having problems with vent valve not working, give us a call at MEDiSURG and we can give you some tips on what you can do to get Alcon to come out and update your software for you.